The Assembly on Friday discussed about the ever-increasing traffic jam and the steps needed to decongest Shillong city. Nong Thamai MLA Charles Pinrobe asked if the world-class sky walk mentioned by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma during his budget speech will help ease vehicular congestion. Earlier, Tinsong informed that the government has taken multidisciplinary measures and integrated approach to tackle traffic congestion and improve mobility and accessibility of Shillong. Meanwhile, the Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma today told the Assembly that the centre will soon release the second installment for the payment of salaries of the SSA teachers. While replying to the call attention motion by Nongpo MLA Meral Bonds Aim, the Education Minister informed that as on February 2023, the central share received by the state is Rs 272.34 crore and the state share is Rs 30.26 crore for payment of the salaries of the SSA teachers.
Up-to-date salary of all the SSA teachers of the state will be released very soon. I may inform this August House that the state government is actively striving towards the providing quality of education at all levels despite challenges in various educational parameters.
Union Minister of Development